How's everybody doing today? We're gonna need another one of these. Welcome to the Rick Bork channel, where the beer's always cold, language fucking sucks, my shit's always broken, and your opinion doesn't matter. Borkfest 2022 is July 29th and 30th, so come on over and have a beer and have a good time, and you can regret yourself later. And we're gonna need this. Pop quiz. You guys know what this is? Belt lacing. You know what belt lacing is? Well, fuck. Need to replace some belt lacing. So, this one here, you can see it's getting a little fuckered. The clips are still there, except for that corner one, which isn't a huge deal. But the center of that son of a bitch is about fucking gone. So, we need to get some new belt lacing put in that. And while we're there, we may as well do that one, because that one's broken where it wraps back around. That one's popped. And then we'll go through the other ones. The other far side has the alligator steel style pin. The pin style in it that lasts a lot longer, and I have another one of those, but I don't want to use it unless I have to. So there's that. So what we're gonna do, I try to do preventive changes on this belt lacing, but you know how that goes. I'm just saying. Okay. So what I really want to do is be able to get this side started and semi kind of push the other side through, even though it's a little fucked up. You get one side started and you can start pulling the other side out and through. That usually seems to work pretty decent, but you have to pull everything together like that. I don't know how well you can see what I'm doing, but you're gonna have to fucking suck it up and deal. So what I need to do is make a fixture to clamp on each side of that splice and then draw it together. I can make one pretty fucking easy, I just never have. And then you can swap out belt lacing pretty fucking easy. But we're not gonna do that because we need to get this shit done before dark, because we got fucking hay to bale tomorrow or Tuesday, whichever one fucking, whenever it works out. So either we're gonna try to get a hold of that. And you can kind of flex that corner out of the way. Problem is now the cable has a zigzag to it, so that doesn't work very good. And now we're starting to pile. I usually try to replace it before it's worn, but that didn't happen this time, so it's where the Leatherman actually comes in really handy. Also a long straight pick. I gotta go dig around and see if I got one. I don't know if I do. If not, piece of wire does help, but not as well, or something of that manner. I thought I had a straight pick in here. I know I have them at work. I need to buy a good set of picks from the Mac guy for the shop here. Why I don't have a set, I don't fucking I don't know. You can also use an Allen wrench. So we're gonna bring an Allen wrench and a screwdriver just to give us a little assist. Either one of those two. Something roughly pretty damn rigid and the same diameter as the, or roughly the same diameter as the belt lacing. And maybe we can get you a better view here. A little closer view. See what we can do. Shit. There, how's that? Let's try that. Alright, so I don't want to lose these ones that I have going right now. So we're gonna stick those ones together, and then we'll try to pull the belt lacing out from the middle part, and also feed this in from the side there. So as it gets dark, we're gonna fucking be battling on this one, but whatever. We're about to get a light out. Grab our mini screwdriver out of the Leatherman here. I think. Oh, I'm on top of that bastard there, so let's try to get back here somewhere. That cable's pretty damn strong, I gotta give it that, because it that's what's keeping your belt together. Oh, come on. Yeah. So we gained there because we pushed that little piece back. The more we can twist, there we go. We got it. See that? See how it's all because they're pulling in two different directions on it. So there we got it. Now it's just a matter of getting the new one through and on the correct sides of each one. Because once I pull the screwdriver out from the other side, we're basically committed. And once you get her to go, usually we're only a couple off there. We're not. Yep, I'm about right there on that, so that's pretty good just for pushing that through it by hand. That last part He's gonna fight me, I can see it. We're gaining like 2 at a time here. And that's okay. So I'm gripping between my pinky finger and the palm right there, and then index finger and a thumb, and pulling it together. We got 2 left. There we go. See that? We got it. Okay. So now you need some lead on this. Okay, come on. Oh boy, that's way too much. We don't need that much, for fuck's sake. Okay, come on, take some back. About 2 inches, somewhere in there. And then we want to double this back. You can even go a little bit more, just for, we can do it that way too. So then we feed it back through one side or the other. We could probably go this way just to hold this end in. So we feed it underneath. And hopefully you can see that. So we can't get it to go anymore, basically. But you want to make sure you're getting it in there at least a good inch and a half. Oh. Now you can pull this side, pull down. Oh, oh, come on. This is where it's nicer to do it with new belt lacing, because all these things are not an issue. Oh, come on. I gotta move you, so you watch there. We're gonna put the stabbing device away. I'll stab myself. Okay, come on now. Usually, I can. Oh, don't do that, Rick. Fell over. Nope, it doesn't want to go. Oh, come on. One way or the other, it needs to go through there. It needs to double back so it's within its own, the own width of the belt. I don't care how it does it. Either this end the end has to go in, or the rest of it has to come back through. And I know they make tools and all that shit for this, but I know a lot of guys just take it to the fucking implement dealer and have them do it for them. Okay, hold on. All right, we're gonna use a little lubricant on there. Liquid wrench, chain and cable lubricant. Anti-sling penetrant. This is fucking garbage. But for this application, it'd probably be perfect. It's not worth a fuck for your chains, though. I'll tell you right now. Oh my god. Come on. You went through there, for fuck's sake. How come I had no problem getting the bastard through there? But now I can't get the fucking thing tightened back up. Here we go. That part of it. A little bit more. Oh, come on. I want just a little bit more. I might be able to tap that in there. I'll take that. So now, I want to clip this off with the pretty good wire cutter on the Leatherman. Otherwise, that's a cable, it's not actually wire, so you're not going to be able to cut it if you have something, if you don't have a decent cutter. This is the one I really need to get done tonight because, well, the outside belt is always taking more of a... Holy shit! I don't fucking know. It's not in the shop.
Not in the house.
Alright, well, when we pull down on this bastard, you get that fucker to go in there a little bit better. Well, honestly, I've never had this much fucking problem getting things in there, of course. That's different when you're on the fucking camera. What is this? Oh. Come on, you bastard. And you don't want that tail to stick out either, because if that sticks out much further, any further than that, it'll get caught on shit and it'll pull it out. And then you have that long tail sticking out there. And it'll pull that bastard out. I should have, I probably still can. Yeah. Tape that bastard with the knife just a little bit. Put a point on it, or if you got a lighter on you, take and melt the tip a little bit. Get it hot and then pull it with you just don't want to go too far. You start getting into the cable where the cable can fray. It'll just make it that much worse. I don't know if you can see that from there, but it's not all too fucking bad, right? Just does not want to go past this one. Oh fuck. Then I started pulling the damn thing out. You don't want to do that. I made it to the next one. that one's a little fucked up. Yeah, I know, I'm a little fucked up too. Whatever. Squish that bastard. That, but I fucking did it. So. Whatever. We can, I want to kink this right here to give it some memory. Right there. To try to push it in. And like that. So I did that. I think that'll work. I really like to get it in there further, yeah. Ah, fucker pop pulls out too easy. This is a fucking long video for putting in belt splicing, but I guess it is what it is. It takes what it takes, right? Okay. Let's try this again. There we go. Now got her. I'll call that a success. I think we're running out of daylight to do that one. I don't know where the other ones are, if they're even close. Oh. Damn, belt splicing held together. I'd have been fucking flat on my fat ass. This one's not terrible. If you look through it, it's still complete. We can run that one. I don't see any of the other ones. Well, fuck. They must be up in the top. Yeah, remember up in the top, that thing doubles back forth twice, so yeah, good enough, I guess. And yes, we did have the safeties in and set on and rested on the safeties, so there you go. That's fucking belt splice replacing. I do appreciate it because it helps out with shit. So fucking see you guys on the next one.